Hello everyone, let me introduce you to Bob, who develops an auto service which is part of a bigger webshop application built as microservices. The auto service consumes the interface of a shipping service, however there's a bug for the shipping services interface. Due to the dependency between both services, this bug also affects the auto services functionality and results in another bug. Since the developer teams of such microservices can choose their own technology stack, each service manages its issues in an independent issue management system. As a result, since each issue management system has a component-specific scope, such cross-component dependency links between issues cannot be represented semantically. To counteract this problem, there's Gropius, a cross-component issue management system, which acts as a wrapper above common issue management systems such as GitHub or Jira. Using Gropius, Bob can manage cross-component issues in a graphical way, and Gropius propagates all changes to the underlying issue management systems. However, as a developer, Bob spends most of his day in an IDE. Managing issues in the Gropius web UI results in many context switches between the web browser and his IDE. This can be very time-consuming, error-prone, and also decreases Bob's productivity. To solve this challenge, there's a Gropius IDE extension for Visual Studio Code, which allows Bob to manage these cross-component issues in his IDE. Furthermore, the extension provides Bob a focused component-specific view of cross-component issues, while keeping all cross-component issue features, for example, linking to other issues of other components. This results in less context switches, and therefore his issue management process is less time-consuming, less error-prone, and his productivity might even increase. Let me give you a brief demonstration of our Gropius Visual Studio Code extension. After opening Visual Studio Code, you need to log into Gropius. Next, you need to select a component. In this case, we have an example project with two components depending on each other. We select a second one, which opens the three main views. The first one is the component detail view, which shows the title of the component and the description and also offers filter functionalities for issues. The second view is the issues list view. Here you can see all issues which are affecting this component. And the third view is the issue detail view, which we take a look at in a second. First, let's try out some filtering functionality. You can hide unclassified issues, bug reports, feature requests, or multiple of those. You can also show only open issues or show only closed issues, and also filter for issues assigned to yourself. There's also this search box where you can enter some text, which is filtering the issues for the issue's title and also the issue's body. Clicking on an issue opens this issue in the issues detail view. The issues detail view shows the title of the issue and the body, which is rendered in Markdown. You can also edit this issue. Next to the issue, there's the issues icon. A light bulb means this is a feature request. The star means this issue is assigned to yourself, and there are two arrows. The ingoing arrow means that another issue links to this issue, and the outgoing arrow means this issue is linking to another issue of the same or a different component. Star and those arrows are optional. You can choose whether this issue is a bug report or feature request. You can close the issue or open it. You can add labels and remove labels. You can also add assignees and remove assignees. Let's take a look at linked issues. A linked issue means this issue is linking towards the other issue because they are in a dependency. For example, clicking on such a link opens the linked issue in the issues detail view. You can also add other issues to those linked issues. If this issue is an issue of another component, then this component name is shown next to this linked issue. So in this case, this provide scenes to cycles issue concerns this knee engine component and not our own component. Let's take a look at artifacts. You can click on artifacts, which opens the artifact. An artifact can be either a file or a URL. When clicking on the artifact, the area affected by this issue is highlighted. Next to the artifact, there's the sidebar containing issue bookmarks. You can also filter the issues list for issues in this file and you can remove this filter. Furthermore, our Gropius extension offers some commands. You can write Gropius and, for example, create a new issue. There you can write a title and also a body. When saving this issue, it is shown also in the issues list. If you don't choose a specific issue type, the issue type is unclassified. You can also add a new issue by clicking on this plus icon next to the issues list. To summarize, the Gropius Visual Studio Code IDE extension offers a focused, component-specific view for cross-component issues while keeping the cross-component features. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.